now it's time to move toward our transformation of our dashboard part. But before that, I'm just giving the name to our page 2 as employee performance and satisfaction, and table my page 1 to be as employee something. Now I'm going into my layout tab and making its layout to be as a tab, and making its background to be as a white. So now I wanted to change its color to be as this orange type reddish color over there, and I'm changing the size of my cars to be as slightly on left side to be as 8, and making its background into be this red color, orange type color. Now I am just adjusting the side of my filters and the cars also, and replacing its background to be as this orange color. It can easily be available in the color schema that is providing us. So now for the background, it's this orange color is too much, so I'm choosing this background to be as a white, but these fill color to be as this orange color. Now it's look much better. Now I am converting my this session, which is text, and I'm converting its color background color to be orange. I exactly didn't know what exactly this color code name is, but you can easily find this. So now for our session 1 that we have all this, I'm just creating the box of color. First you can see it is a gray color, but I will change this color into orange color, and first I think has the thing that I have done is that I'm just right click over it, and then in the order I'm going it to be as send to back. Now you can see this, I'm changing I'm going into my layout tab. I think it's good to go to customize tab. So here in the component background and border, I'm converting into white color, and so now it's look much better. I'm just dragging my this box of background of orange color into slightly upward. And then I'm choosing my title of this donut chart to be as an employee by department. And making its font style to be as quicksand. I'm making to as a bold and making slide it upward. Now I'm choosing the second one title, which is employee by job title, and making its font style to be as quicksand, and making to bold and making the chart into slightly upward. So now here in the style type, I'm choosing this visualization title to be as salary by department, and the same quicksand, but is exactly to be. And now for the other visualization, I'm choosing salary by job title, making it font style with quicksand. You can easily change this style, language style at once in the customize tab. You could just have to explore this in the customize tab of theme and the layout, where you can easily find the job title of the whole dashboard just by once. But in the case you did not find that, you can do this by that way. So I'm giving the title for other salaries related stuff to be as a salary by education level and salary by education field. As you can see here, we have an age group, attribution by age group. Title for this visualization, and for second visualization I'm choosing attribution by department and making it slightly upward. For my donut chart, I'm making its size into slightly large and giving it to as a title of gender by gender analysis. And for second one I'm choosing marital status, and same stuff for changing its style and making it to bold. So now all the stuff of background changing and job title is being done. So now it's time to move toward the changing the color of our visualization. So I'm making my donor chart into as a single chart and representing and changing its color to be with orange. You can see, or I can change all of the other colors of different visualization. Now I'm changing its color to be slightly similar colors that look better with orange. And now I'm just copying this visualization, and for other visualization I'm paste style only. So what you can do is you can automatically change the colors of our visualization. So we did not need to change the visualization color for every and each visualization. We can simply change these color. If there is the same type of visualization over there, it's good to go by using this method. And here you can see I have changed its color over there. I have changed it, but it's difficult to adjust this size. I'm just removing it and changing its side over again because it's slightly outside of the box. I'm just copying it and then paste style only. And I'm doing the same stuff of paste style only with my donor charts. You can either choose a single color also, rather than it be this. It's completely up to your choice. Now I'm copying it and placing all of these visualization color stuff to my second donut chart. So now if you click on any one of these filter, you can, our whole dashboard can represent this form. So this is our dashboard 1, but I think that we should have to be changed this layout, like their width should be changed. We can done it in our next parts.